Well, I will start running the code to see how knights worked. First, we have puzzle 0. This puzzle has a single player named A, and one sentence. The sentence is A says, I'm both a knight and a knave. Introducing this sentence in the AI give us as a result that the player A is a knave. Then we have puzzle 1. Puzzle 1 has two players, A and B, but only one sentence. The sentence is A says, we are both knaves. If we introduce this in the AI, the AI is going to tell us that the player A is a knave and player B is a knight. Then we have puzzle 2. Puzzle 2 has two players, A and B, but this has two sentences. The first one says that A says we are the same kind, and B says we are of different kinds. Doing the same as before, we reach the point that we know that the player A is a knave and the player B is a knight. The last puzzle is puzzle 3. In this one, we have three players, A, B, and C, and four sentences. The first one is A says either I'm a knight or I'm a knave, but you don't know which. B says A said I'm a knave, and B says C is a knave. Then C says A is a knight. Introducing this knowledge into the AI, we know that player A is a knight, player B is a knave, and player C is a knight. And this is all.